Have you ever wondered how the meals you pack get to the mouths and the tummies of hungry children? The journey each FMSC meal takes to reach a child in need requires many hands, including your hands, and the guidance of the Holy Spirit. We believe God inspires volunteers and donors just like you to give your precious time and resources in order to fund and produce the meals, and then allows our partners to safely and intentionally deliver the meals to those who need them most, often in dangerous and hard-to-reach places of the world. We believe in the power of prayer and know that God protects this food so we can reach the hungry in His name. Once the FMSC meals are packed, boxed, and placed on pallets by your hands, and you gather to pray over the meals, they are carefully loaded on a shipping container. FMSC staff members pray over each shipment again before it leaves our warehouse. The meals then travel by truck, train, and ship to their destination country, where they're met by our partner ministry and cleared through customs. The meals then take another ride, often by a local trucking company, to get to the partner's warehouse or ministry site, where they are unloaded and await distribution. The meals may either be hand-delivered by our partner or picked up by other smaller ministries, churches, or groups in need, and delivered by truck, car, bike, mule, small boats, and often even by foot, to schools, orphanages, hospitals, and homes to reach the hungry. On average, the trip from FMSC to our mission partner site takes anywhere from 2 weeks to 2 months, depending on where in the world it is going and how difficult it is to get there. No matter where these meals go, the reaction when they arrive is the same. Joyful, grateful smiles can be seen, and cheers of joy can be heard as precious kids you've enabled us to reach know they will have something good to eat today. You make happy kids with full tummies happen. You make this process succeed. Thank you for taking part in this incredible FMSC journey.